How to fix "We notice some unusual activity" error in Google Flow. Are you seeing the "We notice some unusual activity" error in Google Flow and wondering how to fix it? This message usually appears when Google detects activity that seems unusual or potentially suspicious on your account or network. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several methods that may help resolve the issue. First, refresh the page and try the action again. Sometimes temporary system issues can trigger this error. Next, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. If you have multiple accounts logged in, try signing out of the others and using only the account you need. If you're using a VPN, proxy service, or privacy-focused browser extension, temporarily disable it and try again. These tools can sometimes cause Google to flag unusual activity. You should also clear your browser's cache and cookies. After clearing them, restart your browser and revisit Google Flow. Another helpful step is to switch to a different browser and see if the error still appears. This can help determine whether the problem is browser-related. If you're connected to a public or shared network, try switching to a different internet connection, such as your mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi network. It's also a good idea to check your Google account security settings and review any recent sign-in activity. If Google detects unfamiliar access attempts, it may temporarily restrict certain actions. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version, as outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues. If the error continues, wait for some time before trying again. In some cases, Google's security systems may temporarily limit activity and automatically remove the restriction after a short period. If none of these methods work, consider contacting Google support or checking Google's help resources for additional guidance. That's how you can fix the "We notice some unusual activity" error in Google Flow. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides.